In this tutorial, we will cover contact forms in Drupal 8. My name is Kenny. Thank you for checking out the Almost Engineer channel and this tutorial series on Drupal 8. The contact form is a pretty frequently used form on most websites. This allows you to get in contact with the owner or the business that site is maintained by. Drupal has the module built in called Contact that allows you to leverage this functionality without having to write any code. So by default, when you are logged into the website, it will automatically populate your name and your email address into this form. All you have to do is enter in the subject and the message. Now, if you are not logged in, then you have to manually enter in your name and your email address into this form before you're able to send the message. So going to the back end of the contact forms, you'll need to go to Structure and then Contact Forms, and this will allow you to manage the contact forms. So the contact forms module allows users to be able to send other users messages. However, this is not turned on, but if you want to turn this functionality on, you could. This will be helpful if you're running a message board site or you're running a intranet site or something other than just a general website using Drupal 8. So the website feedback form is the general website form, contact form that most people are using. So if you want, you can edit this form. And there are some options available here. So of course, at the beginning, we have the label. This will be the title. So I'm actually going to change this to Contact Us. And then you have the recipients. So when this form is submitted, who do you want to receive an email will go here with each of the email addresses. As it states here in the help text, to specify multiple recipients, you need to separate each email address with a comma. And this field is validated for valid email addresses, so be sure to put in a valid email address. And then the message is basically what will show up after the user submits this form. So you'll want to have something here, and then the redirect path. So after the user submits the form, do you want them to show back up to the same page, or do you want them to be redirected to somewhere else? And then also you have the option for auto reply. This email will actually go back to the user as a confirmation that they submitted something on the form. And then the weight is basically just a ranking, and then you want to make this the default form, so we'll save. So now we have our contact form and we can fill it out, and when you fill it out, you'll get an email. I don't have email set up for this particular Drupal setup, so I'm not going to fill it in because the email will not go anywhere. Hopefully this video has given you insight into the contact form and the contact module within Drupal 8. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have learned anything from it. Also, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when the next video tutorial in this series will be released. Until the next time, please engineer something.